Today I will show you how to use AI to design custom t-shirt mockup in Canva. Go to Google, type Canva t-shirt mockup. Click on the free t-shirt mockup generator. Click the create t-shirt mockup button. Go to apparel. Select the mockup of your choice from here. Now drag and drop your design on the mockup. Make the design a little smaller. Click on Fit. Click on Apply. Click on the Share button. Click on Download to save your design. Thanks for watching the video.